So apparently this problem's all around the world, that Google Classroom is defaulting to the language of the country you're in. But I work at an international school and I need this to be in English. And even if I translate it, it's still not going to work that well. So here's a workaround. If you go over to your settings inside Google Chrome, this is really crazy why this works. I have no idea why, but if you go to advanced settings and you go all the way to language and input settings, seriously, if you do this, if you add the language of your country, I'm in Thailand, so I'm going to add Thai, which is right here. And as long as I keep it in priority of the third or the second here, and I say done, if I go back to Classroom, watch this, refresh, and boom, it's now in English. Only because I said it, see, it's all in English now. It doesn't ask me to translate. This isn't translated. And what's great is that it's actually translating correctly, and you can see that these are all in English. Just because in settings, in languages, I put Thai as the second or third option. So then it reads that and says, oh, let's do English first before we do Thai for some reason.